4 laps the distance. These guys get 4 laps out here. This is their hot laps and qualifying together. First car out there is going to be the 24 machine. That's Daniels, West Virginia's B.J. Grimshaw. Joining him out there in the 74C, that's going to be Crystal Yachts out of Pineville, West Virginia. B.J. Grimshaw setting the bar with an 18.35. B.J. Grimshaw with an 18.07. He works down the back straightaway now to the outside of Yachts. Sonny Ratliff off of a feature win last week, his first win. The Rattler in the 74X coming around his first lap. Joining him out there in the 74R is going to be Robert Tanner out of Pineville, West Virginia. Rattler to the top of the board with a 17.80. Puts Sonny Ratliff to the top. B.J. Grimshaw still sitting there in the second spot. First time around for Robert Tanner. Going to be good enough for third spot with a 19.20. Sonny Ratliff going to better it with a 17.60 or 640. My first day on the job. Joining the Speedway in the number 1 machine. He's out of East Brady, Pennsylvania, making the long haul. It's Ben Lehane. The number 57 machine, Bluefield, West Virginia's Justin Saunders, 7 points back from Josh Grimshaw as this points battle closes up toward the end of the year here in the SCDRA 4-cylinders. Ben Lehane coming around for his first lap. Good enough for the third spot with an 18.23. Saunders going to put it there in the 4th spot with an 18.59. White flag out for Ben Lehane as he takes it into the 2nd spot. 17.80. He's getting closer. He made that long haul from Pennsylvania. He's trying to make it count as he's logging some laps here, getting ready for that $12,000 to win SCDRA race coming up in just a few weeks here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. Next set out on the track, the 95 machine. That's Lightning McGrimshaw. Ka-chow. Leading the points here by 7 over Justin Saunders into the top of the board with a 17.59. Joining him out there in the 23 machine is going to be Colton Cox. Grimshaw trying to better his lap this time by with a 17.32. Last two set of qualifiers out here for the SCDRA 4-cylinders. Josh Grimshaw still at the top of the board with a 17.32. Sonny Ratliff with a 17.64. And Ben Lahane with a 17.80. First car out on the Speedway, our defending track champion, number 45 machine. He's out of Oak Hill, West Virginia. In the C and Adam Tony, number 45 is going to be Fast Eddie Hambrick. Join him on the racetrack in the 55 machine. He's out of Waynesboro, Virginia. That's going to be David Keith. First lap on the board for Fast Eddie's a 14.26. David Keith with a 14.95. 14.27. Going to pin on that first lap for Fast Eddie. 14.26. David Keith going to better at that time by with a 14.31. Next car out to qualify. Been on a hot streak here in the Crab Orchard Pharmacy. Black Label Truck and Trailer Sales. Massey Power Sports Medicare Man Rocket XR1. Earl Ramey under the hood of that number 33G Midway. West Virginia, Shane Greco. Joining him out there in the Kenny's Machine Service, Virgil Store Profab, Hess Decals, Rocket XR1. That's going to be Pond Gap, West Virginia's Jacob Rucker. To the top of the board goes Shane Greco with a 13.93. Next out to qualify in the number 17 machines out of Gilbert, West Virginia, and the Living Good Equipment Pro-Built Race Engines, straight up transport. Wolfie's hauling number 17. It's going to be Jeffrey Wolford. Out there with him in the number 138, that's Patona, West Virginia's Arthur Jarrett Jr. Arthur Jarrett cracking the top three with a 14.18. Jeffrey Wolford going to rip it away with a 14.18 of his own. Last time around for Arthur Jarrett. He's going to take it back with a 14.05. Come out on the Speedway, it's the birthday boy in the white auto and RV, J&J Body and Frame Electric Chair, Chance Radar Custom Leather Rocket Chassis out of Summersville, West Virginia. It's going to be Jim Rader. And the 8R machine, he's in the Ace Remodeling Constructions Meadow Custom Auto, wrapped by Barley Rocket Blue Gray. It's Beckley, West Virginia's The Game Triple R Robert Ray Roberts. Last week's feature winner in the Right Way Auto Right Way Services, Z-Max J&J Fabrication. S&S Industry Pro Power, all about wraps, dirt slot, snap-on tools. Number 18, he's out of Beckley, West Virginia. It's going to be TJ Salengo. Join him out there in the 7 machine. He's out of Fayetteville, West Virginia. It's going to be Shane Endicott. TJ Salengo cracks the top three with a 13.98. First lap around for Shane Endicott, a 15.29. Fine. Super late, you need to be on deck for qualifying. Coming out on the Speedway in the number 84Bs out of Lismore, West Virginia, it's going to be Justin Elliott. Joining him out there from Dixie, West Virginia in the 84C machine, that's going to be Matthew Light. He's out of Jumping Branch, West Virginia in the Longhorn chassis. Wheelman of West Virginia, number 18. It's Scooby Stephen Atkins Jr. First lap around for Scooby as he works the high side of the speedway. Comes around to complete lap number 1. Good enough for the top 3 with a 13.96. Down the front straightaway for the final time, last qualifying lap. To the top of the board, put Scooby to the top with a 13.79.